Everyone, please be quiet.
Please keep quiet.
Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. As she has introduced me, I am Dr. Balaji Kumar Choudhary, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering. Okay. So I was also previously I was HOD of Automobile Engineering. Okay. So for the last 5 years, I was in automotive engineering, and now I am the professor in charge of this Center of Excellence. That is, I'll play that one. That is Aerospace, Defense and Allied Industries. Okay. All of you know what is aerospace. Aerospace related to aviation. Okay, aviation, which will fly. Okay, defense. In defense also, there are a lot of instruments to made, not vehicle related. That is also some missiles or some equipments that they are used for the defense purpose. Okay, and allied industries, the industries which are used to manufacture those components. Okay, so what is this Center of Excellence? Center of Excellence meant for your training, in the field of aerospace, defense and allied industries. Okay. Before going to my subject, I want to know, raise your hands, who belongs to automobile engineering? Automobile. Few. Okay. Drop. Raise your hands, who belongs to mechanical engineering? Mechanical engineering are there. Okay. Then I would like to know who are civil engineering. They're civil. Okay. Then I would like to know electrical. Yes, fine. Electronics. Yes. Then finally computer science. But sorry to tell, I means it does not have any scope for computer science students. Okay. But listen. But the platform is provided by the computer engineers. Okay. The platform nowadays, all of you are using mobile phones. In mobile phone, what is the operating system? Android. In Apple, iOS. Okay. So this is the platform on the mobile that you are using, and inside the mobile you can install any app using your Play Store, right? So in this Center of Excellence, we are using one platform like 3D Experience. 3D Experience is a platform which is made by Dassault system. Dassault system. Do you know Dassault system? Have you heard of Dassault system? Have you heard of Rafael? Okay. That Rafael is done by the company Dassault Aviation. Dassault Aviation. From that, it comes Dassault system. Okay. So, in the Center of Excellence, you are providing you a platform in which you will have a lot of softwares inside which. So, to cater the future requirement of the industry. To cater the future requirements of the industry and latest technologies, okay, they have kept in one place and you are using that software. That is all about. We'll go in detail later. But tell me, from where industry came from? What is the necessity of an industry or a factory? कहाँ से आया? ये requirement कहाँ से आया? Product ठीक है, लेकिन in ancient what happens? There is less number of people, less number of living inside in the earth. So what happens if one is doing a handicraft of means stitching one shirt and is exchanging with the food cops. Okay, जो food बना रहा है उसके साथ वो exchange, he is exchanging. Okay, तुम ये मेरा कपड़ा ले लो और तुम मुझे तुम्हारा वो खाने के लिए कुछ दे दो something. Okay, मेरा मिट्टी से बना हुआ एक बर्तन ले लो और मुझे और कुछ दे दो. That is okay up to some extent. But when the population is large, so what human thought they have to do something to meet the requirement of the people. जो लोगों की क्या requirement है उसको fulfill करने के लिए they thought that they would set up some factories that will produce the items in large quantity. That would produce the item in large quantity. Okay. From there, this Industry 1.0. Have you heard this name, Industry 1.0? Nowhere. This now came into existence. Okay. Industry 1.0 started in England in 18th century. What he has done? All handicrafts moved to factories. Okay. All the items made in the factories. And in that era, we are using water and steam. Have you seen this steam engine? That is from that era. But now it is obsolete. Now we are not using that one. Clear? But at that time, that is very, very huge and big. And that is very required. Then after Industry 1.0, Industry 2.0 came. Industry 2.0 came. That is started around 1870. And the requirement increases day by day. The requirement of the people due to increase in population increases day by day. So what happens? In the factory, we can manufacture the things. But the productivity cannot be increased if inline manufacturing will not done. Inline manufacturing means if in a line, okay, one by one product will come, we will do some operation on that, then that will go. Do some operation on that, then that will go. So it results mass production. In that case, what we are using? We are using oil and electricity. Oil and electricity. Oil means diesel, petrol, okay, and along with some electricity, generator, motor. In that era, we are using that components to meet the requirement. So the productivity increases. Clear? Up to this, okay, na? Then we come to Industry 3.0. Industry 3.0 started around 1970. All of you are familiar with this. What is this? MacBook, huh? And here a small one. Okay, all these things are the computers, laptops, okay, robots. You are seeing over here, no man is here and the car is manufactured by this robot. The process are done by the robots. Okay, this is the era of electronics items and computers. Okay, computer engineers and electronics. Clear? So we are using heavily these things in the Industry 3.0. But now, what happens? The demand is changed. High demand is only not required. Now it is requirement of means very accurate product. Very accurate product and very means tiny requirement. Means I'm coming to current requirement. This is Industry 4.0. What is required? If something I have produced and we have to take it as a feedback. What is the requirement? What means material scarcity increases. Material scarcity increases. How can we reduce the materials used in the item? Okay, if I make one product, okay, that mass is 1 kg. Okay, if I made 1 lakh product, what is the mass produced, mass consumed? 1 lakh kg. Yes or no? मैं अगर 1 किलो का एक आइटम बनाता हूं एंड लाखों ऐसे आइटम बनाया तो कितना मास कंज्यूम हुआ? 1 lakh kg. Okay. Now the scarcity is that in the earth the materials are limited, or it will generate automatically. It is limited. So using those resources is very important. So we are cautiously use those components. Cautiously means as minimum as we can use less, then that will be good. In the item, strength is requirement. If I want to use a equipment, strength is required, but as well as the mass used on that one, that should be less. So we have to do some technological design, we have to adopt some process so that we can able to make a high strength item with less mass. These type of challenges are there currently. To meet those requirements, you are having complete automation system, smart system, IoT. IoT means Internet on Things. Then AI means artificial intelligence, big data, cloud computing, okay. And VR means virtual reality and 3D printing. These are the things nowadays going on in the industry 4.0. So, let me ask you, if you trained as per industry 3.0, will you get a job? Yes or no? No? Or yes? Confirm, na? No, no. Yes or no? Are you getting me? अगर इंडस्ट्री 3.0 के हिसाब से you will learn the things, then will you get a job? मुझे जोर से सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. No. So we are requirement of to train in the field of industry 4.0. So if you go through your syllabus, you will find all these items in your syllabus. Okay. So to fulfill the requirement, we have this center of excellence. Okay. To meet the future requirement of the industry 4.0. Clear? Sound nice? नहीं कौन से गड़बड़ कर दे चाहे था. ठीक है चलो. Whatever it may be. Okay, let me, nowadays, hello? Hello? Am I audible? So, nowadays what happens, small and medium suppliers need a challenges. Okay, what are the challenges? The audio is not playing. Okay.
Face significant pressure to stay competitive, while OEMs are demanding more value and flexibility, as well as a higher volume of delivery on time.
So OEMs, what companies required? They required So require high volume of delivery. High volume of delivery they required. Okay. But within a stipulated time. Time is limited and they required a high volume. So what they are doing? They are meeting these challenges.
And on quality. Meet this challenge by transforming your production organization and product definitions from new customer requirements. Connect the dots between all stakeholders and make real-time collaboration possible. Manage continuous project changes with an instant view of deliverables, including customer and regulatory exigencies. Validate your manufacturing strategies digitally so you can optimize your processes without risk and improve your rates. From bid to delivery, you can now adopt new strategies to go beyond your customers' needs and become more competitive. Get ready to win more profitable business. Learn more about the processes in your solution.
So, have you seen, to meet the challenges, what they have done? There is some requirement if I am a designer. If I am a designer, I have designed one component. Imagine, I have designed one component. Okay. That will go to directly to the production. Okay. If I will go for production, then what will happen? There may be some problem. Okay. So, before going for production, we have a analysis. We will do the analysis, okay, on the item that we have designed. Okay. After design, we will go for analysis, thereafter production. Okay. If they found some problem in the analysis, that analyst will revert back to the design. जे इसमें कुछ problem है, okay, you change those things. Okay. Designer क्या किया? He will again do work on it and do some changes and again go for analysis. Analysis के बाद that will go for the production. प्रोडक्शन में क्या है? प्रोडक्शन में भी देखेगा, ओके, वर्चुअली में पूरा प्रोडक्शन करके नहीं देखेगा, वर्चुअली वो देखेगा कि क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है प्रोडक्शन करने के बाद. ओके, इफ ही फाउंड सम प्रोडक्शन प्रॉब्लम्स, देन यू विल आल्सो अगेन रिपोर्ट टू द डिजाइनर, ये प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, इसके ये प्रोडक्शन ये में प्रोसेस में नहीं हो सकता है, तो इसको थोड़ा चेंज करो. देन डिजाइनर अगेन इट विल चेंज एंड इट विल गिव टू द प्रोडक्शन. ओके, so these interactions will be very easier, must be very easier, so that your production will be faster. Production हो गया, it is okay. Production के बाद कहाँ जाएगा वो? Market में जाएगा. Okay, if one customer finds that it has some problem, use करने के बाद खराब हो जाता है, 2 दिन में खराब हो जाता है. What is the reason? Feedback आया, feedback को फिर से analyze किया गया, क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम है, देन अगेन इट विल बी करेक्टेड इन द डिजाइन, देन यू विल एनालाइज एंड अगेन गो फॉर प्रोडक्शन. सो इससे प्रोडक्ट बेटरमेंट हुआ कि नहीं? सो वी विल गेट बेटर प्रोडक्ट बाय द प्रोसेस. सो दीज आर द challenges and requirements that is faced by the companies, and we will go for next slide.
We are experiencing a global industry renaissance, bringing new ways of inventing, producing, trading, and learning. Businesses must empower people with knowledge and know-how to deliver new categories of sustainable solutions. With the 3D Experience platform, Dassault System is the catalyst and enabler of the industry renaissance. Leading educators and students are already preparing the workforce of the future for this transformation. Through collaborative projects, students learn by doing. Like in industry, 3D Experience connects students and educators, helping them share knowledge and recognize skills. Hands-on activities allow students to transform practice into knowledge. They realize that making things fuels creativity. Connected to industry, students learn in context. Using the 3D Experience platform, learners concerned with nature, society, and industrial challenges resolve genuine issues across disciplines. Students experience the real-life workplace through closer interaction with employers. any time is the new norm in a fast-paced world. Because many future jobs haven't been invented yet, careers will be more mobile and diverse. With the 3D experience, anyone can improve their entrepreneurship and collaboration skills. 3D experience is the playground for new learning experiences.
This is 3D experience where you can have this type of things. So in this platform, students are able to learn while they are doing something. Okay, they will do, they will experience, they will learn, and they will apply. Okay, so 3D experience is a good platform for the learners to learn. Okay, then we go for the next slide.
Customers want to experience a connection with your brand, so drive emotions within them to choose you. Create intentional emotional responses when you sync engineering and design to be sure you can create the style that's desirable. When you connect all your design stakeholders, you can deliver meaningful mobility experiences that will win customers' hearts. Transform market trends into a source of creativity. To expand, investigate and shape more ideas and concepts more quickly. Stimulate the senses with a wide array of powerful digital capabilities that enable you to capture what you can imagine and then translate it into personalized experiences. Make the magic that drives emotion. Learn more about the processes in your solution.
So in this platform, what you will do, whatever you will learn, whatever you are in your imagination, you can draw, you can come into reality. So this is the software that is 3D experience. Clear? I'll show you. This is the simulation we are doing using Simulia, another software that is kept inside the 3D experience. Okay, in the 3D experience software, there is a software CATIA. You can make the model, and the Simulia where you can do the simulation. I have told you the analysis. Okay, analysis means if I make one item, whether it will sustain with that amount of load or not. Okay, so you can analysis using this Simulia software. Again, we come to manufacturing. This is the manufacturing environment, virtually all the things. This is the factory assembly. This is additive manufacturing. You see over here, virtual reality. We are assembling using virtual reality. So what happens, before going for real manufacturing, you can have the simulation of manufacturing, how that manufacturing will go on. Okay, so that if some problem arises, then you can remove those problems. Okay, that is the speciality of this 3D experience software. Now we come to our Center of Excellence, what we have proposed. This Center of Excellence model consists of the things who will take the training. Students from engineering colleges, working professionals, and engineering graduates seeking jobs. They can do the training. What they learn? They will learn industry trends, needs, industry process, that is from aerospace and automotive. Then how they will learn? We are having our trainers along with industry experts, industry aligned training content online, experiential training, and seminars and case studies. Then why? This is for the better chance to get a job. Okay, after doing this, definitely, yes, this is the requirement of the future challenges. Okay, you will get a job. Network with industry experts, opportunity to demonstrate identity in front of industry experts, industry roles, job profiles, and you can go for higher studies also. And these are the benefits to the students. Okay, so overall, this Center of Excellence is meant for you, which is meant for your future. Okay, so then what is the learning path? How we can learn in this Center of Excellence? Basic thing will start from the basic course. This one is the basic course. In this case, you will learn the basic things like CATIA, DELMIA, Simulia. These are the basic softwares for everyone. This is for everyone. Automobile, mechanical, electrical, electronics, okay, civil, all of you can learn this one. Okay. Thereafter, we go for advanced industry processes. There we have divided into aerospace and automotive field, likely two different fields we have developed, and we will got the experience. Learn, then experience. Thereafter, we go for innovate. Okay. So 3 stages are there, and after that innovate, if you are very excellent, then you can go for startup and R&D, research and development. Okay. Then this is the 3D experience hub at our colleges. These are the photographs in our colleges. In our college, by the side you will have this classroom, okay, equipped with the flat screen and computers, high-end computers, so that you can learn in the classroom. Thereafter, this is the industry in a company. How will you sit in a company, or to get a feel like you are working in a company or industry? We are having this computer lab, specially designed computer lab with high-end workstations with 32 GB RAM and 24 GB graphics card, 12 and 24 GB graphics card. Then you will learn in this classroom and computer lab. Thereafter, we come to experience. You have to experience the things, what you have done, what you have built the model in the computer lab. If you want to experience that thing, so that we are having this 3D lab in which we are having, I wore that HTC Vive. Okay, using that, you can view your product that you have made using 3D experience software. Okay, that is you will experience that thing. If you made one car or vehicle like that, so you can move around your car. Okay, virtually, if you wear that one, and you will move around, you can assemble or disassemble whatever the things you want to do. You want to make one sketch on that one. If you want to draw one mirror, okay, then you can draw there also. Okay, and these joysticks will be act as your hand. Okay. Apart from that, we are having one 3D studio in which we are having this 3D projector. Epson 3D projector is placed over there with a 10 feet around screen on which you can project the model and have an experience of 3D. Okay, how it will look if it comes in real. Okay, this is the experience test. Then after we come to innovate. Innovate means it relates to some innovations or some new creation or idea. Okay, so that we are having this video conferencing setup. Okay, so that we can sit over there, we can discuss with the industry, we can create some new ideas. Along with that, we have a maker section. Maker section is that in which 3D printers are placed. There you can print your model. Here you build your model. In this, you will see your model virtually. Then in maker section, 3D printer are placed. There you can print your 3D model. How it will look like. Clear? So this is the complete center of excellence of your. Show you one video. See. Okay. This is the waiting area. You can sit. This one is the audio video 3D studio. Okay. AR/VR room. 15 number of seats are placed. So at a time 15 number of students can be sit there. This one is a computer lab with 36 number of systems. This one is the discussion room or ideation center. You can sit over here and generate new ideas, what to do, how to do, like that. This one is the maker's lab, where you can, this is the office room. Then we have I will come to my point. I will come to my point, that is steps for enrollment. We have 3 levels of courses, in which level A, that is for second year students from mechanical, automobile, civil, electrical and electronics. They can enroll for the level A. Thereafter, in the level B, it is split into 2 categories, that is aerospace and automotive. Okay. Then third year students who qualified level A, they will come into level B. Okay. And in the level C, in the final year, we will do the internship programs for them. They will do their internship. In final year, they have the minor projects, and final semester, they have internship and projects. They can do over here. Okay. These are the structures, and the fee is free to all of you. You don't need to pay. Clear? So, any questions? Any questions? Any doubt? Okay. Thank you.
Hello. Thank you so much, sir, for such an informative session. वैभव साहू सीएससी, त्रिनाथ वारिक, महेश्वर बेहरा, सौभिक महांती, शुभम नायक, सौम्यजित साहू, अमलांजित पंडा, इप्शिता राय, सुश्री आर साहू, प्रांजल पंडा, रूपल बिस्वाल, अमलानी पाठी, सत्यव्रत साहू, विवेकानंद खटुआ समस्ते सम्मान दीटारे आसीजिबो कंपटीशन स्टार्ट हबो ठीक अछि 2 ରୁ 2:30 कंपटीशन हबो सम्मान दीटारे आसीजिबो आइडिया तमर कंपटीशन रूल्स रेगुलेशन होची किछि भी गोटे सोसाइटी रो प्रॉब्लम को माइंड रे रखी कि किछि गोटे आइडिया पिच करिवो तुमको 1 मिनिट मिलिबो तम आइडिया पिच करिके आ से आइडियाटा को प्रॉब्लम रो सॉल्यूशन हिसाब रे एक्ट करूची आ को इंपैक्ट हबो तार कहबाको 1 मिनिट ईच आउ 1 मिनिट और 30 सेकेंड्स तुमको प्लस माइनस मिलिबो ठीक अछि तो समस्त सम्मान दीटारे जति ना देछ समस्त प्लीज आस जीवो दीटारे बिकॉज कंपटीशन दीटारे 2 ରୁ 2:30 होची तमर कंपटीशन
So the winners of photography competition are for portrait theme. The first position goes to Ganesh Mahapatra, electrical branch.
Stand up please Ganesh Mahapatra is he there and for theme micro the first prize goes to Amlan Satpathy from CSE branch and the second prize goes to Anjali Mahanta from mechanical engineer and the third prize goes to Shiva Prasad Behra from electrical engineer. Please stand up. Give a big round of applause.
For theme monochrome, the first prize goes to Priyankita Panigrahi, electrical branch. Panigrahi, electrical branch. Second prize goes to Sulagna Rath, ETC branch. And for the third position, it is a tie. P. Rasmi Ranjan Behra, electrical, and Shruti Parida, CSE. Shruti Parida, CSE. Everyone be here before 2 p.m.